Are you over 40 or over 50 and you're ready to throw your concealer out the window? Oh, sister, you are not alone. You're going to be so glad you're here. I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. And if we're meeting for the first time, I am your budget beauty bestie. I am going to show you some super simple makeup tips. 2 in particular today. They're going to help so much to give you a better concealer application. Let me put my makeup on and get to the point where I apply concealer. My first tip, if you're just fed up with concealer, if you've bought all of the concealers and you're just like, I can't find the right concealer for me. Here's my first tip. And by the way, I want to apologize for the lighting. It is so dark and so gloomy and so stormy here. I just can't get all of the lights and everything to work. So I apologize. Before even using concealer, I want you to add in a color corrector. We don't have the same skin that we did. We don't have the same face and same skin and same issues we did several years ago. I'm 57. I've got all of the things. I have dark circles, but my biggest issue is the redness above my eyes. That's what a color corrector will do. And this one is super, super affordable. This is the eye brightener from Makeup Revolution. Very, very affordable. And I use the lighter of the 2 options. This one comes in 2 color options. If you're light to medium skin tone like I am, you want the lighter option, and those tend to be more of a pinky peach shade. If you're more of a medium to deep, then the color corrector that you want to use is a little bit more peachy, almost orange if you're very dark. And the color corrector just cancels all of the redness. You will use half the concealer that you normally do because the color corrector went in and did all of the work first. I'm telling you, add a color corrector, you'll be so much happier and you will not believe how much better your concealer will look just by changing that one thing. Look at that, and I haven't even applied concealer yet. It's just canceling all of the redness that you had before you apply concealer. And you may need more below than I do. Most of mine is the inner corner and above. And I don't like to really do too much right below that lash line. So I like to just take my ring finger and just tap that into place. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite concealer, also very, very affordable. This is the Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer. I love this one, only runs about $7. This is a bonus tip. Rather than applying the concealer directly below your eyes where we have a tendency to apply too much, I want you to apply it to the back of your hand. Once it's on the back of your hand, I'm gonna just take my brush and I'm gonna pick it up from there. I'm going to use a lot less concealer this way. Put it in the areas that you need it. For me, it's generally on the inner corner, a little bit in that little divot right there. And I'm gonna put some on the outer corner of my nose. Now, my second tip is don't touch it. Leave it sit there for just a second. Often what we do is we put concealer on there and we start spreading it out right away. It just shears it out. We get very little coverage, so we add more. And then you get so much concealer. That's where you're going to get all that caking, all of that creasing, all of that cracking underneath your eye. Put the littlest amount of concealer in those areas that you need it, and then just wait a minute. Let it kind of set up a little bit. Let it kind of dry out a little bit, and it's going to be more of a fuller coverage than it would be if you put it on and while it's still wet, you just sheared it out. So let it sit there for a minute. Now I'm going to go in. If I need more, I can add more. But by letting it sit there for a minute, it kind of dries just a little bit and you get more of a fuller coverage. I'm gonna add just a little bit more in this area right here. Now again, I'm going to take that ring finger and tap that into place underneath that lash line. I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope that you'll subscribe, like this video, come over and find me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best, and watch this video next for more simple makeup tips using affordable beauty for our mature skin. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.